Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my creativity final project. So for my project, I originally wanted to do, some sort of painting, but the type of painting I wanted to do, the cost of materials was just a little too high for me, so I had to find a workaround. So I decided to create a program that would draw for me and draw specifically at that a tree. And so I'm gonna show you how I draw trees. This is how I draw trees. This is how every second grader draws trees. But this is how you programmatically draw a tree, or at least the method I used to draw it. I used a method called recursion. So initially I would build my trunk here, and then at this point here I would branch out, and then at these two endpoints I would branch out again, and so on and so forth until I hit a set upper limit I set on my tree here. And so I'm going to show you some screenshots of the progress of my implementation. So in order to accomplish my goal here, I had to learn a new programming language called processing, and it was a pretty fun language to use. And so this image here is my first program, you could say, in this new language, and I just simply created a circle, and I went from there, and this was my first attempt at programmatically creating a tree. And as you can see, it ended quite pathetically. This is a very, very sad tree. But it gets better, trust me. So this is, starting to look something like a tree. And, eventually it looks like a tree. And, this image here pretty much visualizes my goal. This was my goal. And so I was pretty happy I managed to get here. However, I decided to push this a little bit and give more life to this tree, make it look even a little more organic, So this was my final output, my program made of drawing a tree. And so now I'm going to demo you my program. This is the code if you're interested. So I'm gonna run my program here, and as you can tell right off the bat, this tree is moving, and that was again another one of my goals of this project. I wanted the user to be able to create any type of tree they imagined simply by moving and using their mouse. So as you can see here, as I move left, my tree kind of shrinks a little bit, and as I move right, it kind of grows and expands out until you can keep going with it until it's a 90-degree angle. It looks a little funky and weird. Another thing you may notice is you move the cursor up and down, it decreases and increases the height of the tree. And another feature I added was if you click your mouse, click the left mouse button, you'll increase that upper limit, and you can see it kind of adds more of a bushiness or like more leaves at the top. And if you right click your mouse, it does the complete opposite until you can get it down till it looks like a very sad pruned tree or like a dying tree. So yeah, so this is pretty much my program, guys. I hope you like it. One more thing, I added a cool little feature here. If you hit the up arrow on your keyboard, it enables party mode. It's just something dumb I thought I'd add, but I thought it looked cool, so I thought I'd share with you guys. It even looks a little trippy. But yeah, so this is my project, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks.